Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So, what I went ahead and did was grab a motor in my hobby shop had. Seen it in the window. It was a brand new motor. Somebody traded it in. And I got it for 50 bucks. So it's a 4092 brushless. And it's a 1650 kV. So I got a 19 tooth pinion on here. So on 6S, we're gonna go ahead and test it out, see what happens. All right, YouTube, it is on 6S, like I said. It's the first run with that motor. Definitely got a lot more torque, that's for sure. Just gonna run in, check the temps, make sure it's good. At least the water dried up. Alright, y'all, let's go hit some jumps. See what it do. Definitely got more torque, so I'll tell you that. That's for sure. Taking a light. Get the hang of the motor. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's windy out today. The sun's over there bashing the stampede. Watch out for that pole. Branch in there. See if we can pull it back. Ease too. We gotta test these temps, see where we at with it. Right, YouTube, we're back. Yeah, the motor was a little bit warm, but I'm gonna get out. I think I got a 19 tooth on here. I'm gonna go down probably to a 16 or 15. Definitely got oomph. Front flip with this is dangerous. I don't know, man. We're gonna try one. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, she's still a survivor. Only thing that happened is one of my battery straps bust, so can't really jump in and say no more. I think I could definitely get there. Oh. So we're gonna call it a wrap. It was a good bash. I'm gonna go over it, make sure ain't nothing break. But liking the motor, I am gonna go down on the KV. I mean, I went down on the KV already. I'm gonna go down on the pinion. It does got a lot in it. You know, I'm not even getting the full in this Willie. So I'm at a 19. Probably bring it down to maybe a 16. And then we'll see what happens from there. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. More to come.